What's up, Wheelers? Jason at Carnage 4x4 Adventures here, and we scour the internet looking for sales and news and off-road so you don't have to. So thanks for watching. Keep us in mind when you're looking for stuff. And please like, share, and subscribe. See ya. What's up, Wheelers? Today's off-road sales and news for 10/31/2022. So first off, we got Super Springs International, 20% off everything. Use coupon FALL22 at checkout. That's FALL22. So they have like helper springs, this, and then they have these sumo springs, trailer sumo springs, which I didn't know. Take a look at their trailer sumo springs. Spring under. Seriously. So $300, 3,000 to 5,000 pound, 280, 5,000 to 8,000 pound, $299. And then the contact plate, 70. But something to think of. What else we got? Ruff stuff again, except for it's not just new. Today it's 15% off brake kits, diff covers, valve parts, lines and rod ends, garage organization steering kits, suspension and body armor. Use code SPOOKY. Probably all I need to go over there. Pro Eagle mounts now with free straps and the mounts come with free straps and cover. Gotcha. Some other different mounts here. Straps and cover included. Now, made for Rivian. Dynamics. Nav Stage Series rock lights. First look. I don't know what the difference is between that and any other rock light. I guess we'll find out in a couple weeks. Or if you're at SEMA. We didn't go last year because you had to be jabbed, and I don't even know about this year because it pissed me off. Wavian has MREs on sale. They're not self-heating from what I gather. because I already looked into it. $90 instead of 110. Cheese tortellini, beef stew, barbecue chicken, chicken noodle stew, pasta with marinara sauce and veggie crumbles, chicken rice with vegetables, veggie chili, lentil stew, pinto bean stew, power bar, dry fruit, raisin nuts, flour tortillas, sugar cookies, crackers, peanut butter and jelly, drink mixes, spoon, coffee, sugar, creamer, salt, pepper, napkin, moist towelettes. So, if you need MRAs, save $20 off a case of 12. But I'm pretty sure they're not self-eating. PCI race radios. Back to the Dune sale. Pyrotect Sportmax DOT helmet. Only $255, custom wired by the pros at PCI. Oh, that price is with the wiring. Otherwise, they're normally $190. Rome, $270 awning, now available. It's super expensive. $13.50. So what we got? A bunch of Toyotas and Fords. Oh well, pretty nice. I don't know if I'd spend $1,350 on it. I'm sure it's well made. Jeep Jamboree USA, 20% discount, and the brawn of a Jeep Rubicon and a bike. An e-bike, no less. But you need an e-bike for some reason. 20% off. What is the code? Jeep Bike 20 upon checkout. That's Jeep Bike 20. $7,500. Holy crap. So if you want a Rubicon bike, 20% off. More Wavian. Water cans are back in stock. 5.8 gallon. $55. Ends tomorrow, I believe. MBRP, 10% off truck exhausts. Don't see a code. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe, and give me some tips on how to do this better, because this is new. But I went through hundreds and hundreds of companies to get on their emailing list, and some of them don't have them. But everybody I got, I'll just keep doing it. You guys give me some tips on how to make it better, and then you can keep coming back. Please like, share, subscribe. Thanks for watching. See ya.